Grandma. I'm playing with my doll.
Grandma said stay on the path, but the blue butterfly was too pretty to resist. Suddenly, the path was gone. The shadows grew longer, and the forest got very quiet. I was lost. Then I heard it, the sound of a wolf, close by. I hid behind the biggest tree I could find, too scared to even breathe.
You can come out now, you know?
A talking rabbit named Barnaby B. Hobbs said the wolf was bluff and bluster, and that he knew the way home.
Come on. I know these woods better than Harry knows his own howl.
Barnaby knew the shortcuts, but they had strange rules. We had to avoid the Iron Walker, a crazy old scrub robot that collects things that move. Next up, the river crossing. When a massive water snake appeared, Barnaby distracted it, and I made a muddy jump for the bank.
Trust your inner ring class, Thanu.
We made it to the main road. I thanked my brave, fluffy guide and started running toward the light of home. I looked back to wave goodbye.
Thank you, White Rabbit.
But he was gone, like magic. Had I dreamed it all? The mud on my hand said it was real. The next day, a small gift was waiting. A polished white stone with BBH etched on it. The forest is full of secrets. Maybe tomorrow, I'll take the long way home.
Bye-bye, White Rabbit. I hope to see you again, White Rabbit.